Hi everyone, welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today you'll learn how to write an incentive letter. This letter is a formal document issued by an employer to recognize and reward an employee's outstanding performance or contribution. It outlines the reason for the incentive, the form of the reward, such as a bonus or gift, and reinforces the company's appreciation for your efforts. You'll start your incentive letter by including your full name, position, company name, and location, followed by your contact details and the date. Next, add a clear subject line like incentive letter for employee's name or team name. And address the recipient directly with a polite greeting such as Dear Employee's Name Team. After that, write, "We are pleased to acknowledge your exceptional performance during the project name quarter time period. Your hard work, dedication, and results have significantly contributed to the overall success of the company. In recognition of your efforts, we are happy to offer you an incentive of amount or incentive type, which will be reflected in your month-year payroll. This incentive reflects our appreciation for your continued commitment and contribution to achieving our shared goals. We look forward to your ongoing excellence and are confident that you will continue to inspire others through your work ethic and achievements. Sincerely, your full name." Here's our sample incentive letter. You'll notice how it clearly communicates the reason behind the reward, recognizes your performance, and outlines the type of incentive being offered. The letter highlights key details like your achievements, contributions to the company's goals, and how your efforts have made a measurable impact. This helps reinforce your value to the organization and motivates continued excellence. And with that, I conclude today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on drafting effective workplace and HR documents.